In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a bug tracking system in ClickUp. We're going to build a clean, easy to maintain workflow that your whole team can follow. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. If you're new to ClickUp or need the app, I've placed a link to the website and the desktop download right at the top of the description, so you can get set up quickly and follow along. Create a dedicated space and name it Bug Tracking. This gives you a clear, centralized home for every issue. When you're creating the space, make sure lists are enabled. Lists will be the backbone of your workflow, letting you organize bugs by stage so nothing slips through the cracks. Inside that space, add folders to match your projects or modules. For example, you might have one folder for your web app, another for your mobile app, and a third for your API or backend. Separating areas like this keeps ownership clear, reporting tidy, and filtering painless when you need to focus on a specific service. Within each folder, set up lists that represent your bug status stages. Start with new bugs, where fresh reports land and wait for review. Move verified items to confirmed, so the team knows they're reproducible and ready for action. Shift active work into in progress, and when the fix is implemented and validated, place it in resolved. This stage-based layout makes it obvious where every issue stands at a glance. Now, create a task for each bug reported. Use short, descriptive titles like Fix Login Page Error, Resolve App Crash on Startup, Correct UI Layout on Mobile, or Address API Timeout Issue. In the task description, include steps to reproduce and any relevant context. Clear, consistent titles and details will save your team a lot of time. Enhance tracking with custom fields. Add priority and severity to gauge impact. Reported by and assigned developer for accountability. Status to reflect progress, and deadline to make sure nothing lingers. These fields make sorting, filtering, and triaging fast and objective. Apply statuses consistently across tasks. New, confirmed, in progress, and resolved. Keeping status names aligned with your lists reinforces the workflow and avoids confusion. Finally, monitor everything with dashboards. Use them to visualize total bugs, track critical issues, spot bottlenecks, and keep an eye on overall progress across projects. A good dashboard gives you a real-time control center for decision making. That's it. You now have a ClickUp bug tracking system to manage, prioritize, and resolve issues efficiently, keeping your development workflow organized. Thanks for watching.